The countdown to Christmas has begun, and so many people are shuffling, rearranging, planning, trying to make it the best and the merriest they can with all the restrictions of lockdown and stay at home notices that have been issued by governments all across the world. The custom for many has been to celebrate Christmas on the high seas. It is a wonderful time on your favorite line with your favorite people and meeting new people. The decorations on board are lovely. The food is scrumptious. The ports of calls are absolutely alluring. But this year, none of that is going to be in the fate of too many of us who love sailing. And here we have an update of the suspension of sailing and dry dock for Carnival cruise lines. So let's start with the dry dock plans. The ships that will be in dry dock are Carnival Magic, Carnival Paradise, and Carnival Valor. Now, as a part of their gradual phased-in return to operations in 2021, and this is directly from Carnival Corporation, they are delaying the deployment of these ships until after the work is complete. For those who were booked on these ships, these are some canceled dates that you need to be mindful of. Your trusted travel advisor or Carnival Corporation would have been reaching out to you regarding these canceled sailings. So for Carnival Magic, all sailings up to and including embarkation on September 21st have been cancelled. Carnival Paradise, all sailings up to and including embarkation on May 31st, 2021 has been cancelled. And for the Valor, all sailings up to and including embarkation on September 11, 2021 have been cancelled. So for those ships, the Magic, the Paradise, and the Valor, those sailings that would have been announced as being cancelled and the ones that were being booked prior to this cancellation notice. Please note that September 21st is the cancellation period for the Magic. May 31st, the cancellation dates for the Pride, and up to September 11, 2021 for the Valor. Now, the Australian government, we also sail out of Australia. They have instructed an industry-wide extension in the pause of operations for Australian sailings through to March 17th, 2021. Carnival Splendor Cruises departing from Sydney on March 12th, 2021 and March 15th, 2021 have been cancelled. And as you might be aware, the Carnival Horizon has arrived in Miami and she is being prepared for her sailing. Now, as we see it, the shorter sailings that have been prescribed by the CDC will take place at a to be determined date, and the test sailings usually, in this particular strange experience, will happen prior to those. We know nothing will happen for 2021, but shorter sailings and test sailings, 3 or 4 day sailings, should resume sometime in the near future from Port Canaveral, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and based on my understanding, Jacksonville. Those for Florida. Galveston, Texas is also on the radar. I haven't heard anything yet for Long Beach, and so we suggest that you stick close to this channel. Your trusted cruise providers, Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. You know we are all about the fun. Ciao for now.